The design ideation section of the project in your portfolio is extremely important because this is where you showcase your ability to generate a diverse range of concepts. I created these coffee maker designs to demonstrate how I would approach a project like this. A good design is not just a styling exercise. There should be some good ideas to go with a good look also. Normally, I will start with combining simple geometric forms together and possibly adding strong graphic elements to give the overall design a more interesting appearance. Here's an example of connecting two cylinders together with the straight section to form the body. Then adding a strong diagonal stripe to break up the simple form. The upper right dark section is the removable water container. This is an improvement over most of the coffee makers on the market because a separate water vessel is no longer needed. The lower left dark section is the coffee pot. The recessed circular area is created for water container and coffee pot to make it easier for the hand to grab. The second concept uses a dimple pattern. The third one is, in my opinion, the better solution since it provides a better grip over a larger area. This concept is connecting two cylinders with a curved surface which achieves a softer appearance. Next is designing with a horizontal cylinder, coffee pot on the left, water vessel on the right, and the opening for the coffee grind basket center top. Here's a design using two cone shapes, connected by an aluminum support stand, coffee grind basket and water vessel on top, and coffee pot on the bottom. A triangle prism makes a good looking coffee maker as well. The high-end model has a detachable water vessel. This next design was an unsuccessful attempt, which I think it is important to show what went wrong. At first, I thought the design using two half spheres and a two-tone bottom looked good. But as I developed it further, I realized just how complicated and hard to manufacture these parts has become. The coffee pot ended up looking strange and wouldn't function too well. The base also looked way too complex by itself. The second attempt turned out much better because it can actually be manufactured, which is important for product design. The appearance is almost identical to the first try, still using two half spheres connected by an aluminum stand. The water vessel, the coffee grind basket, and the stand now look simple and elegant. The coffee pot also had a simple and elegant appearance. Here's before and after. This next design just used simple cylinders throughout. The taps on the lid and the coffee grind basket, the handle on the coffee pot, and the slender cylinder for the water container all have the same look. Together, they form a cohesive design that has a simple, elegant, modern, and high-end look. Most importantly, they can be manufactured easily. I hope these examples gives you some ideas how much can be achieved combining simple shapes together. Make sure you show a diverse range of designs in your portfolio.